Hey guys, I didn't see you come in.
Oh, hello, Catherine. Good to see you. I didn't know you were dropping by.
Holy cow, how the heck are you? Well, welcome, Hike-a-Maniacs Run a Wild. And welcome to our channel, Hiking with Rob, the channel that makes hiking fun and exciting. And in today's episode, we're going to be doing an unboxing slash review slash tryout of a new pair of shoes known as the hope you enjoy it. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit the old subscribe button. And ring that bell
for notifications.
So let's get to it. This thing ain't gonna unbox itself. Let's do it. So here we have the box that it came in which it came. And I just got it yesterday. Or maybe it was the day before. I don't really know these days.
Things all kind of ran together.
Anyway, we have a oh, that's interesting. They spelled my name Robbie Garnzol with U-L-L.
Dumbass!
Anyway, you can see the box here. It says Brooks on it, and it's got these really cool motivational photos on here of people running.
It's got them going forwards.
It says "Run Happy" on the sign, which we all know that nobody was happy when they're running. So that's already we know.
It's a scam, right?
Let's look at the back, and you can see them running away. So you can see them going towards you on the front.
And you can see them.
I think it's kind of cool. You know, the side here, this is the one that confused the heck out of me. There's this guy, and there's a bunch of people running, and there's this really big guy. He's about
He's probably like 12 feet tall.
and I'm wondering, like, is this guy part of the group, or are they just running?
Get away from him so he doesn't eat them.
I mean, who knows? I don't know, what the story is. Anyway, let's go ahead and open up this box and show you what's inside of it. So inside of this box, there is
Another box.
and it's got all the happy running people on it, which is nice, but this is pretty cool. I mean, you gotta love this illustration, right? I've just spent like half the video on illustration.
I haven't even opened the damn box yet.
Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. Let's see what we got here. Here we go. Gotta love that new shoe smell.
That's about the only time the shoe will ever smell good again, right?
You're honestly an idiot. I don't know what's wrong with you.
Anyway, just to give you the backstory of this.
I have extra ones.
My feet are just ridiculously large.
I can only have 13.4 4E, or 13.
Extra wide.
So it's very hard for me to find running shoes.
Fit my big ass feet.
That is so embarrassing.
I went to every running store, and I finally ended up at Dick's Sporting Goods here in Gilbert, which is a great sporting goods store. And they were very helpful, and I tried on literally like a half a dozen pair of shoes, and they landed on nothing. Finally, they said, "Hey, we'll help you order these things," and they delivered to your house. So these Brooks here, they're not cheap running shoes. They're about $130 somewhere in there.
I don't know exactly, but
I mean, my other running shoes were absolutely demolished. I've probably been running on them since the summertime. So, just to give you guys a little background on my running, I used to be a pretty good runner.
Are you sure about
10
that?
years in.
40 pounds ago.
I ran several marathons. I've run to Seattle. I've run one close to
I
Portland,
can't remember the name of it. No.
Malvinsky State Park, somewhere in there. And I ran the Okinawa Marathon a couple of times. I ran, like I said, I ran Seattle. I ran one in North Carolina.
In Myrtle Beach.
Maybe the Myrtle Beach
I
Marathon.
don't know.
Oh my god!
8 marathons under my belt. However, my last marathon was the Okinawa Marathon in 2016, right before I retired. And
It was horrific.
I tried. I'd been running a lot. I thought maybe I could do it, and I just didn't really do very well. I made it. I got through it, but I just don't know if I'll ever do one again. So,
Fuck? Bitch, what? I am disgusted with you, bitch.
now I'm opening the box up and seeing the shoes. They're very nice and light, and they look beautiful. They got some.
Good treads in the bottom.
But anyway, let's go and try these shoes on, and then we're gonna do a little walkabout with them and see.
See how they feel.
Two hours later.
Okay, Tupa doesn't feel like walking, so I'm gonna have to pick her up. Come on, baby, just go for a walk. So I can get a chance to walk in these shoes a little bit.
So let's go for a walk, doodle dong.
Okay, so we're not getting much walking done. Well, we're doing a little bit now. Tupa, go ahead, baby.
Okay, so she finally got motivated.
Which is good. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about what I'm feeling so far with the shoes. I'm loving the fit for somebody with a large foot. It's awesome. It's absolutely imperative that you have enough space there, because
Of course, your feet are going to swell.
after a couple miles, and then you don't want the circulation cut off all those babies. So far, the other thing I'm noticing is these shoes are like super cushiony.
They're super cushiony.
So I really like the cushion in it.
What I'm not in love with is they seem to be.
Like a pronating shoe, my heel strike is
It's gonna be on the inside.
It feels like it's on the inside. And that could be a problem for me because I tend to be a
Heel striker on the inside of my.
shoe. Okay, to me that this has a potential to exacerbate a problem I already have.
Oh my god!
One eternity later.
So it's 2 days later, and we finished up our first
real run with the.
These new shoes. Roonies.
couple of observations about these shoes. I mean, they felt good. I never
Never had to adjust them. They never.
Start pinching or anything anywhere.
So they were very comfortable. I liked the cushion. You know, it felt good having that extra cushion there. One thing is I definitely noticed a
Different feel.
to the shoe. I mean, as far as I mentioned earlier, I kind of got it mixed up. You tend to turn your foot inward, which causes an outer heel strike. Now, apparently I already turned my feet in, which is actually a normal gait, but it can be
Considered pronating as well, I suppose.
You're boring everybody. Quit boring everyone.
slightly pronated already. So the way these shoes are set up is that they turn my foot in, they're increasing my outer heel strike. So except that over time,
These are gonna wear out faster.
I think they're my normal shoes. I have high hopes for these things.
Being around for very long.
Especially with my fat ass running on them.
So what's my rating overall on these shoes? Well, I'll tell you the truth, I don't really know. I'm not going to rate them 1, 2, 3, or 4 stars or 5 stars, whatever, because I've only run on them one time. And we'll have to see how you feel after a week, 2 weeks. And who knows, I may grow to love these things. You know? Or I may despise them in a week. So I'm going to withhold any star rating for now. I'm just trying to find a shoe that's comfortable and won't kill my feet and is viable for me to work with over a long period of time. And I think I may have found the shoe. So I guess I could say I'm happy with what I got. Well, thank you all for joining me today. And go ahead and hit the old subscribe-a-rooney button and ring that bell for
More notifications.
Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. And God bless you all. God bless America. Stay safe. Keep the faith. Faith over fear. Rock on.